Jotend duond od bura noero mar ODM bade ma Kisumu County koro kwedo mokalo wacha mabende wachore ni gin kod jochung' magisewalo mabende gibiro miyo tiko mar duond od bura noero mar ODM kogike yiero mahiga manyien. Wacha makamaendi ogol kod kamishona manoero migosi Sentei mabende koro ochung' ne wechego eko mag yiero e party ka duond od bura noero mar ODM ka owacho ni duond od bura noero pok otimo welo moro amora. Kendo jogo eko mabende wacho wach makamaendi dhi ataro mag chike mapacho kaendi. Kane giloso kod ute fwambo, jagoro mochung' ne wechego eko mag yiero e duond od bura mar ODM migosi Abdullahi Dirie oyango ni giseketo winjruok kod jodito mag chama noero kaka gibiro tayo yiero mag duond od bura mar ODM e kinde mabende ne giromo kod jodito mag ODM bade ma Kisumu County odiochieng' noero manyoro.
The delegates drawn from all over the county, more than 100 delegates here today, have agreed that they adopt consensus as a method of electing the grassroots leaders. We have been doing this across the country and we are happy that it has been very peaceful. We have been with the governor here, with the senator, with all the members of parliament and with all the MCAs. And everyone is very happy that we will, in the next 2 weeks, get all the grassroots electors all the way from polling station to ward, to the constituency, to the county. So it has been very, very peaceful and happy, and everyone agreed that it will be consensus.
That one, the National Elections Board of ODM has not started primaries yet. We do not even have a date for the primaries. So it does not make sense that we would have tickets given to people or preferred candidates, because it can only start when the process starts, and within the time frame of IBC, that process starts somewhere in February going forward to April. So we do not have any preferred candidates, and the National Elections Board of ODM is going to carry out a very fair and transparent process for all the party members. So as far as we are concerned, we are a fair board and we have no candidates or preferred aspirants anywhere across the country.